Hey guys, welcome to my channel Kohl to Soul. Today I've created this Valentine's Day look for you guys. If you look like this and you wanna look like this, keep watching. I'm using a chocolate rose gold palette from I Love Revolution. And the shade I'm going for is called Not Yours. It's a light pink shade. I'm going to sweep in a little color and put it all over my eyelids and blend it softly. Next I'm going for is a shade darker. It's called Side Chick, and I'm going to blend it upward and outward like a windshield wiper to give a nice V shape. Using a makeup fixer, I'm gonna lightly mist this eyeshadow brush and pick up a shimmer called Barbie from this palette and pat it on half of my eyelids. If you use this method, the pigment payoff is quite good. I'm using a waterproof liquid black eyeliner from Lakme to outline the upper lash line, and to avoid going overboard, I would suggest that you use short and feathery strokes. It will give you a sharp, defined, lifted eyes. Next step is curling your eyelashes. You should always use an eyelash curler before you apply mascara to your lashes. Using a serum that hydrates and moisturizes your skin can do wonders to create a smoother base before your foundation application. To cover the under eye discoloration and imperfections, I'm using this concealer from LA Girl in the shade Pure Beige. I will take very little of this product, dab it and then blend it using a concealer brush. I'm opting for a liquid foundation from Smashbox to even out my skin tone and blend it using this foundation brush from PAC to give a flawless finish to my face. For your makeup to last longer, you should set it up using a setting powder or a translucent powder in the end. I'm using this product from Lakme 9 to 5 series. Next I'm using the eyelashes from USHER Pop. These are very easy to apply and reusable up to 25 times. Carefully place these lashes on top of your natural lash line and adjust the position. To add a warmth of light bronzy shade, I'm using this bronzer from the Balm Cosmetics, and for a radiant flush to my cheeks, using a blush from Milani. Next in the list is this baked highlighter from PAC, one of my favorite. It gives you a lit from within look. Using it on the bridge of my nose, diagonally on the cheekbones, cupid bow and the chin. Moving on to my lips, I'm finishing this look by using a lip stain from NYC. It's quite long lasting and a beautiful pink shade that I love to use. Thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you like it. You know the drill, press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. उठो बनी, डेट पे जाना है।